Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with a Saturday morning mix. Just coming on to share these things real quickly, and so let's jump right into it. I am concentrating on this candy cane die, and then let me show you all the rest of the items I am using. We have VersaFine ink, Distress ink, that's walnut stain, some gems that I picked up, as well as this one. All right, then we have this here, and I am using Merry Christmas, I think. Merry Christmas. And this, I am using this bow here. Die in my stash there. I'm using the acorns. This set here, I want to say that it might be from Jill Norwood YAY. From this one here, I'm using these. This die set here. And this paper here. All right, let me show you my cards. I thought they turned out gorgeous. All right, so there goes that one there. I love how it looks. That Jaded Blossom die there, it is amazing. I did mess up a little bit on the Merry Christmas. I should have stamped it twice, but I only stamped it once. And then there goes that there. And I thought I would make this one a little bit more vintage. So I inked it up. And then in the inside, I did use the Gina Marie die on both of those. So if you like what you see, please hit that like button. Please head over to Jill Norwood's channel. I have it linked down below, or you can even use that hashtag #SatMornMix. And that is all I have for you. I know she's taking a slight break till after New Year's, or after the new, yeah, I think after the New Year. I might still post here and there, so we shall see. But that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.